another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. Today we're going to be making pumpkin bread. This bread is a great treat and snack for any fall occasion, including Halloween, Thanksgiving. But first, we need to start out by cleaning our pumpkin. So as you can tell, it's very hard to cut the pumpkin. So while cutting the pumpkin, please be sure to exercise caution. I'll start scraping out the insides of this pumpkin, just like you would with your average Halloween pumpkin. Alright, the pumpkin is all clean. So now we're just gonna cut it into pieces. Doesn't really matter what size. Alright guys, so we have the pumpkin all chopped up. Now we're just gonna steam it in that big steamer over there for 10 to 20 minutes until it's soft enough to like mash. Should be like the consistency of a banana. Alright. Now cut that off. And we're done. Alright, so by now our pumpkin has been steaming for long enough. It was about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna take the cap off. Take our pumpkin off. Oh, careful. Hey, oh, dangerous. That's all. Oh god. Alright. Now what we're gonna do, just gonna carefully transfer the pumpkin over to a bowl where we can see if we smush it up. Let's just pour it. Alright, so squishing the pumpkin. You want to squish it until it becomes real pasty. Alright, so we're gonna start off making our dough. Our red flour, sugar, and salt. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stir those ingredients that I just added in. Alright, so I'll add the wet ingredients now. The yeast. I have here some maple syrup. And then our milk and water. So now we're just gonna slowly add in some of this pumpkin. Mix it in as we go. And we use about 80 grams, but you can also use more if you want. So the textures of all the pumpkins might be different. You can pretty much use any pumpkin for this, even some squashes, as long as it's edible. And so because every pumpkin will be different, if you have a dough that's a little bit too runny, you can add some flour. If you add a dough that's too dry, then just add more pumpkin. Now, I'm gonna put this dough into our on. Now we're just gonna start mixing. So this part has been sufficiently mixed. So now we're gonna add in some butter and continue mixing. So we've transferred the dough from the mixer to this red oil pot. Now we're gonna put this wrap around it. Now we're just gonna leave it and hope that it rises to double its size. All right, our pumpkin bread is now done rising. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some flour. And you can see here, it's gotten pretty big. Now we're just gonna pull it off. All right, so I'm just gonna knead it lightly, just a few times with my hands. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna split it into 8 equal portions. I measured it out, and this is like 545 grams total. So it's gonna be like 68 grams per thing. Just gonna splitting it up here. So now what we're gonna do is I'm just rolling these into balls. And then we're going to kind of flatten them out into a little pancake. I'm gonna wrap them around our red bean filling. All right, so small pancake, red bean, covered up. Just like that, they have a little ball. And what I want to show you guys next is how to make a pumpkin out of this. Alright guys, it's time to start wrapping. So I'm gonna take this string that I have here, place my bread on it. We're just gonna go up. Then we're gonna twist. Make sure you don't want to do this too tight. Just want it to just kind of go over the bread. And then we're gonna flip it over. Back again. Twist. Go like that. And then like this. Just flip it over again. For the last time. Over. And you're gonna want to twist. Always remember to adjust your string positions while you're going. Then twist, push down, here, and then just tie a double knot. Just like that. When this thing rises a little bit more, it's gonna come out and it's gonna become a pumpkin. And just cut off the excess. Now we're gonna wait for these guys to rise again so that they actually look like a pumpkin. And then we'll just start baking. Alright guys, so our pumpkin breads are pretty risen up now. I forgot exactly how long it was, just watch it. And then now we're just gonna take this egg wash that I made, lightly brush over. This will give it a really nice shiny glaze. It's gonna be able to have that impressive factor in your pumpkin bread. Alright, I've successfully covered these with egg wash, and now I'm just gonna place them in the oven, which I'm preheated to 360 degrees for 12 to 13 minutes. Alright guys, this is so exciting. It's time to take our pumpkin breads out of the oven. Oh my god. Oh wow, these look amazing. That egg glaze on top really paid off. They're so shiny. Okay, pumpkins. Gonna let them rest now, and then we'll take off the strings and insert the stems. Alright, our pumpkin breads are done. They're looking just like pumpkins, look. Haha. Now I'm gonna try one. Oh, and I just used some chocolate shaving things and inserted them into the bread for the pumpkin stem. Looks really nice and fluffy inside. That's really good bread. It's fluffy, light. I really like the texture of the bread. Very good fall treat to show off to your friends that you can make pumpkin. So, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.